There's your wings. Hi. Just a little bit of a shower. Hi, buddy. Oh, look at those beautiful wings. My goodness. Your wings are beautiful. Can you raise them some more? Oh, look at those wings. What pretty wings you have. The better to fly with, my dear. What pretty wings you have. Oh, raise them. Oh, eagle bird. Eagle bird. Yay. That was the one-footed eagle bird, wasn't it? That was the one-footed eagle bird. Look at you. You're the most gorgeous bird ever at the moment. Pretty colors. Pretty colors. Oh, yay! You are an eagle bird. Eagle bird. Raise them. Raise your wings. Can you do eagle bird? Let's do eagle bird. Come on. Eagle bird. Yay! Who's the big eagle bird? Who's the big eagle bird? Are you? Yay, Maxis! Eagle bird. Hi. Yes, I'm saying eagle, not evil. So you have your moments. Yay! Look at you. I know. Look at that wing. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, look at you. Where'd the bird go? There he is. Where's Max? There he is. Yay, eagle bird. You're majestic. You're gorgeous. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Where'd he go? There he is. Where'd Max go? Peekabird. Where'd Max go? Peekabird. Peekabird. Oh, 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 yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Yes, you're wet. You are. Hi. Hello. Oh, I'm all wet. You just got me wet, silly goose. One foot, and then the other. Oh, shake it, baby. Yay! I love you. Bye. Bye, Max. Bye.